welcome back to Beauty Over 40. I know it's been a minute. I've been so busy with my business, my online boutique, with TikTok, with my job. So much has happened, which has affected my time to record and produce content for you guys here on YouTube. But it's a new year, right? And new year rolls around, we're motivated to do things, to, step out of our box. So first off, I wanted to come and wish all of you guys a happy new year. And I hope that everyone is well. I hope your families are well, your friends. Of course, it is a trying time for a lot of us. There are still so many people getting sick and or ill. So I send my prayers, my thoughts and prayers and wishes out to all of you. And then also to thank you guys for supporting me. You guys are so amazing. I appreciate you guys. Many of you know I respond to, I'm at the point where I can still respond to every comment. So I can honestly say I respond to every comment. But again, I just wanted to come on and wish all of you guys a happy new year. And also to ask you guys, what would you like to see from me this year? I know, I've done a lot of skincare. I've done, some makeup, which this year I haven't really dug into a lot of dramatic makeup just because this past year has been trying. I'm in a new career now. I'm not with Estee Lauder anymore, but I can still recommend those products and show you guys where to find those products. So definitely, continue to reach out if you have any questions, because I still am in love and I still do use Estee Lauder. I love Estee Lauder products that, that it works with my skin. So I will veer off a little bit and try other brands, as well as other brands that send me product and companies that sponsor me as well. So, but I'm still so committed to Estee Lauder. I love Estee Lauder products. And again, they just work well with my skin. Again, I've started a new job, and guys, I have to tell you, I would have put my house on the line. I would have put my house on the line if someone would have said, you're going to be a manager of a medical cannabis company. I definitely would have put my house on the line. But, sometimes things happen in our lives. We have no idea. It just kind of smacks us upside the head, and we got to roll with the flow. So that is currently what I'm doing in my current role. I am a general manager of a medical cannabis dispensary. It is quite different. I am enjoying it. I'm meeting tons of new people. I'm learning so much about the cannabis industry and just how it has helped, honestly, how it has saved so many people's lives and has helped them with with their illness that they're going through. But that's not why I came on. I don't want to dive into that, but just wanted to mention that to you guys, what I'm currently doing. I still have a passion for beauty and cosmetics and fashion and all of those things that I've done in the past and will continue to do. Again, ask you guys what you would like to see from me this year. I do have a couple videos lined up that I'm currently editing. I'm trying to get back in. Well, I'm not going to say trying to get back in, because I know what it takes to do what I need to do. It's just finding the time to do it, just because I'm kind of spread thin. Again, I got my boutique, my online business with my jewelry, which I'm wearing a pair of faux gauges right now. If you've been following me, you know I love faux gauges. It gives you the look that your ears are gauged, but they're not. So you can see this is in 2 pieces, and then once I put it on, it looks like my ears are gauged. And I absolutely love it. I have so many styles available And amongst other things, I have lashes, lash tools, and turbies, different things that you guys can check out on my website. Just want to come on and thank you guys so much for supporting me. So many of you guys follow me on, on Instagram. You're subscribed to my YouTube channel. You follow me on TikTok on my LRH makeup handle, and then also my _beauty over 40 handle. And I just want to thank you guys, to let you know that I'm so appreciative. I see you guys, like you'll hop from one platform to the other. I do see you guys, and I'm so appreciative. Again, I just want to come on and hop on and just give a New Year's introduction, a New Year's welcome. So once again, as always, thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRH Makeup, and also follow me on TikTok at LRH Makeup, and also TikTok _beauty over 40. Until next time, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye. Oh goodness, I cracked myself up.